How to change Telegram password. Let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. So let's begin. First of all, you need to open up your Telegram application on your device. If you have got multiple accounts of Telegram, then you have to log in to the account or switch to the account of which you want to change the password. After logging in, you'll be able to see this interface. So in order to change the password, you have to first tap on the 3-bar horizontal line in the left upper corner. And from over here, you have to go for setting option. And after that, you'll be able to see the privacy and security option. So you have to go to that. And under the security option, you can see there is a passcode option. So you have to simply tap on that and go to it. And in order to change your password or passcode, you have to first enter your current passcode over here. If you forget, then you can go for forget passcode option. And by doing that, you can see there is a change passcode option in the first row. So you have to go to it. And here you have to enter the new passcode or the password which you want to set. You have to re-enter your passcode so that you won't forget. And by doing that, your passcode will be changed. So by following this simple step, you can change your Telegram password. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.